welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on Roblox. So if Roblox is not sending you the verification code by email or SMS, just follow these simple fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try again. Next, you need to make sure you enter the correct email address or phone number linked to your Roblox account. Next, check if the Roblox needs an update. For that, you need to tap on App Store, search for Roblox app and then tap on Update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the Roblox app. For that, you need to press and hold the Roblox app. Tap on Remove app and then delete the app. Then you can reinstall the app again from the App Store. If these fixes still don't help you, you can also try restarting your phone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your phone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again and then try again. Lastly, the problem could be from Roblox's server. If there is maintenance or high traffic, verification codes may be delayed. So those were some easy ways to fix the verification code not received issue on Roblox. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.